can have another go at those crystals. I've redissolved the ones that had crystallised out in the water again. I've actually used boiling water, and I've used slightly more water this time to try and make sure that it's all dissolved before we start. And I'm going to use this little glass container to hold the water and let it all evaporate out. And then I'll put it in the window ledge. It's a lot more water than we used the first time, so it's going to take a lot longer to evaporate. I think that's going to take an awfully long time to evaporate, but being in the window ledge with the sun on it, when the sun comes out, should help things. So we'll just see how it goes. I'm not sure if this is day 3 or day 4. Time-lapse camera is still going. I don't want to get in front of the camera, but if I zoom in, I can see some bigger crystals have formed. Bigger than last time anyway. They're still not 3 or 4 centimetres long. But they do look a bit bigger than last time. We'll leave it for a few more days. I'm intending to let that water entirely evaporate. Another update. We've certainly got some crystals in there. Don't know if we can focus on them. Still not 2 to 3 centimetres long, no, 3 to 4 centimetres long is what the instructions said. I've also got crystals encrusted around the edges. Well, I reckon that's as far as we're going to go with these crystals, and I've got to say I'm a little disappointed. I thought they were going to look good at the end, and yet they seem to be covered in some sort of film. We have got some reasonable sized crystals, but they just don't look right. Underneath looks interesting, but the individual crystals have failed at the last minute, I reckon. They're significantly better than the first attempt, but they're scummy, I think it's the best description I can give. They're not nice and shiny individual crystals. And they're all stuck fast. Not going to move easily. In fact, they break if I push them. Oh well. That's attempt number 2. Finished.